Hello and welcome to another quick video on Dungeons and Dragons, and I want to continue talking about the Githyanki, and in particular I want to focus a bit more on the Githyanki blades. Now, I did mention in a previous video the Githyanki blade, but I want to talk about the most powerful Githyanki blade, and that is the Blade of Soul Drain. This is a weapon used by the nobles in the Githyanki caste system. So, like the normal blades, the Githyanki blades, these will have powerful magical runes. But in this case of the Soul Drain blade, or this noble weapon, they have, instead of 2 runes, you have 4 runes. So they have runes of speed, ferocity, cutting and bleeding. Now altogether, this means this is an extremely powerful weapon indeed. So this will give d6 plus 2 to attack and d6 plus 2 to damage. Now, as before, damage is d10. And if a 10 is rolled, level 4 characters and below are immediately decapitated. Now the difference is that level 5 characters and above will suffer what's known as the Soul Drain, and this is a loss of 10 con. Okay, now if they survive this attack, they may retrieve d4 con plus their original bonus. Let's say they might have a plus 1. So they can retrieve a little bit of this con, but it's a loss of 10 con. So these are very, very powerful weapons, only available to Githyanki nobles. Now, as well as this, the Githyanki may summon the power of the blade once per session, and that means they can just roll once with advantage to damage. Okay, so that's another extra feature. So very briefly, the Githyanki are a race which absolutely love gems, gold, rare metals, this kind of thing. All of their blades, their soul blades, their scabbards, their hilts of these weapons will have d8 very expensive gems. So I would suggest something like d8 times 500 gold pieces each. And the Githyanki will also have platinum, rare metals in finger ingots and finger bars and things like that. Very expensive. There's also a similar item called the Rod of Soul Stealing, which 5 charges. This is a powerful magical item. Now, this is save versus magic. If failed, again, it's a loss of 10 con. But even if the magic save is succeeded, the victim will assume an astral form for 10 minutes. Okay, so now any natural 8 on the save versus magic cancels the spell results. Okay. And of course, quickly, Githyanki have slaves, and they will consider all level 1 or 2 level characters as slaves and treat them accordingly. There we go.